do you think of the snowman, man? Yeah?
You like it?
Don't take his nose out.
Yeah, don't mess with his nose.
Sis, what do you think?
It's January 15th, 2012. Caden, how old are you today?
3.
Yeah? And how old is sister today? 9.5 months. Sister! Okay.
Need some buttons?
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Dad.
How's it going?
Good. I love snow.
Yeah, no work tomorrow.
Well, probably not. But who's not going into work? Work from home.
I like those boots.
You like my boots?
Yeah.
Fur.
Fur.
The boots with the fur.
Boots with the fur. The whole club was looking at her. Alright, Mom's gonna finish decorating.